And they also produced new jet fighter, so-called Cheetah, which of course a modification of French Mirage made 3. They were smashed first by MiG-21 and MiG-23 over the air. The enemy was completely left naked without any air support. They were smashed. Botha himself got a stroke. That was because he was really sick. Because of that defeat. That it was the Cuban Revolutionary Armed Forces together with the FAPRA forces and plan that have defeated the racist South African invading troops at Kwitokwanavare, Kalweke, Chipa, and other many battles in this country. Were it not because of FAPRA and Cuban armed forces, particularly the historic role played by the Angolan Air Force, supported by Cuban revolutionary pilots who smashed and shot down the enemy jet fighters, probably Namibia's independence would be a forgotten fact. But we are grateful to Camarada President Jose Eduardo Santos, to MPL Workers' Party, to the revolutionary Angolan people, to FAPRA, who fight side by side and shoulder by shoulder with us in the order to force the Boers today to accept the negotiations and the implementation of UN Security Council Resolution 435 in order to bring about Namibia's freedom and independence.